Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
So, sana yung pera na bilyon-bilyon dyan, nasa kamay ba natin yan ngayon?
Hindi po, nasa bangko pa. kasi we did not withdraw yet. Kasi we will only withdraw when we pay.
Yes.
Because why should we hold the money? Kasi babayad tayo ng interest eh. So, mientras tanto na hindi pa na-deliver, hindi pa due ang payment, we'll keep it in the bank first.
Well, also the reason...
Pero itong 12.5 billion ho, nasa atin na yan.
So the reason why I request you to explain this to them. Ang buong akala kasi nila, yung pera na bilyon na ibinigay nila sa Kongreso, nandiyan na sa kamay natin that it's called cash. At nasaan na yung pera. Sinasabi na natin time and again that the money is with the lending bank.
Still.
So we have not used any single centavo of it because as a matter of fact about the vaccines that we are going to buy, pero donated ito lahat sa ngayon.
Sa ngayon, donated pa.
What is in our hands are the donated vaccines.
The donated, I think 500,000 lang eh. 500,000 doses lang eh.
Yeah, and the 400, you're referring to Sinovac.
Yes.
China.
Yes.
Well, China gave us 500,000 free. Tapos, magdagdag sila ng 400,000 more. So, that would make it 1 million. Yan, walang bayad yan. So, libre yan. Ngayon, itong dadating, day after tomorrow, is it? Dadating na yung binabayaran natin. Ay yung babayaran pala natin. Doon pa dapat sila magtanong kung nasaan na yung pera. And I am not really, ang pagkaakala ko sa commercial law ko, pag maghiram ka ng pera sa bangko, magbayad ka, it is not done by money. Kailangan po 5 truck dyan bago kakutin yung pera na yan. Yan po ay papilang. And, if you are afraid of corruption, let your mind go easy because these things are not susceptible to anything. The money is in the hands of the bank and they collect yung nagpabili sa atin ng bakuna from the bank. Hindi sa atin na pumunta yan kay Sunny Dominguez na bubuksan niya yung drawer. Sabi niya, ito na yung pangbayad. Hindi ho. Ano lang yan, that's a commercial law namin. May konti akong alam. Puro papel yan. What would be forwarded to them and to their account or to their banks, it's already paperwork. Kaya sana magdandahan magbigay ng mga billion kasi people might really think na sa bagay, sinabi ko na sa iyo mga kababayan ko, kung maniwala kayo sa kanila, sige, bahala na, doon na kayo. Ang kayong maniwala kayo sa amin, sinabi na walang 5 sentimos na hinahawakan po namin. It's the bank who will pay upon our advice na na-deliver na yung bakuna. Hindi tayo ang magpunta. Sila, through paperwork, tawag lang, the transaction has been, the buy and sell, tapos na, at kukunin mo yung pera sa bangko. Kung hindi pa ho ninyo maintindihan yan, I really do not know how. Wala ho dito, basta bangko-bangko, especially the World Bank. I know that, sabihin nila, hindi naman kami nag-ano ng corruption. So, but when you try to ask us to explain where is the vaccines because yung billions na inallow ninyo that you authorize to be spent, inutang pa po yun. Ikaw na sunod mag-explain dyan kasi mabuti ang Tagalog mo next time. Are you okay now?
Okay po, okay po. Kinukompleto ko lang po yung 14-day quarantine at matatapos na rin naman po yung 14-day quarantine, pero okay po tayo. Pero tuloy-tuloy po, ang masasabi ko lang po talaga, tumitindi po ang politika dahil malapit ng eleksyon at ginagamit talaga itong pandemya, no, laban sa administrasyon. So kung meron pa pong konsyensyang natitira yung mga nais manalo, na desperadong manalo, sana po, tumulong na lang po sila magbigay ng solusyon dito sa problemang ito kaysa pinagsasamantalahan po ang pandemya para sa kanilang mga selfish political gains.
Well,
pero matindi po talaga.
That's what you would call the classic case of if you want to appear white, you paint the other guy black para ang labas mo, puting-puti ka. Si Mr. Clean, parang ganon. Ganon yan eh. Style bulok. Because in the first place, hindi atin yan. Ngayon kung nagkaletse-letse yan, mishandling, or for whatever reason it is not effective as advertised, then they will go after against whom? Ang gusto ng mga manufacturers na ang gobyerno, ang private sector magbili, ang gobyerno ang mag-assume ng liability. Hindi ho pwede yung ganon. I do not think that may ano dyan, may malaking butas dyan actually. Assumption of liability ng ganon. Sovereign liability cannot be. Hindi ho pwede. Kaya sabihin mo sila, sorry. Kasi sabi ni Rudy, hindi man talaga siya babayad. Because we are not allowed to sign any agreement to that effect. Na nandyan nakalatag lahat that they are the buyers of such and such. Tapos nandoon yung payment, tapos nandoon yung indemnification na gobyerno magbayad. I do not think that it will be legal. Sabihin mo, it's illegal for us to do that. Ang makagawa lang yan is Congress. Wala nang iba. When you assume a liability, you incur something which is not beyond your control. In the first place, sila yan. Sila mag-transport sila. Kung masira yan, apektado, mishandling, whatever, there's a host of reasons there. Pag nabasa ng yung abogado, hindi payag. As a lawyer, I think it's not possible. Hindi ho posible yan. Sasabihin nila, sorry. Gusto nila tayo magbili, tapos nila. But then, kung tayo kasi ang bibili for them, there's a question of will this particular stock be also commingled with the others? Because then you will have to follow the World Health Organization criteria. Sundin mo yung kung tayo ang magbayad, tayo ang magbili, tapos gamitin nila yung pera nila, mahirap yan.